Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay wirelessly in your Volvo XC40. First, ensure your iPhone is compatible with wireless CarPlay, as older models might not support this feature. Next, confirm that your specific Volvo XC40 model and infotainment system also support wireless CarPlay functionality. Finally, make sure both your phone and car are ready for the connection process, with your phone charged and the car in park. Now let's get started with the pairing. On your iPhone, navigate to your settings and ensure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Then, in your Volvo XC40, go to the infotainment system settings and look for the CarPlay or phone connection option. Once there, select Connect Apple CarPlay and choose your iPhone from the list of available devices that appears on the screen. After selecting your iPhone, you'll see prompts appear on both your phone and the car's display. Carefully follow these instructions to confirm the connection and grant any necessary permissions for CarPlay to function correctly. This might include allowing access to contacts or location services. Once connected, try opening a CarPlay app like Maps or Music to ensure everything is working smoothly and wirelessly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Also, always check for any available software updates for your phone and your Volvo XC40, as these can improve compatibility and performance. For more great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.